Hi family members, welcome to day 4 of our 31 days reading journey. And if you're just joining me, you're so welcome to the family. This is what we do here. We learn how to read, write and speak. And if you're just joining this journey, make sure you take a look at day 1, day 2 and day 3 so you can be up to date with what we are doing today, okay? Because today is the 4th day of this journey. And if you're my returning subscriber, remember, you are just amazing. So without wasting time, let's dive right into the video. Okay, so these are the list of words we are going to be working with today. Remember, we are working on business terminologies, words that are business related. Okay, so let's go. I have economic, study, important, individual, objective, critical, rational, think, choice, scarce, resources, understand, national, issues, government, manage, income, expenditure, production, guide, formulating, development, international, issue, requirement, further, entry, profession, mankind, built, theories, analyze, define, society, nature, scope, concepts, scarcity, scale, opportunity, preference, preference, refer, fair, refer, insatiable, 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 desire, 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 satisfaction, 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 consume, 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 service, 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 person, 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 while, while, human, 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 unlimited, 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 limited, 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 satisfy, 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 supply, 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 arranged, 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 order, 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 first, 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 expression, 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 forgone, 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 alternative, 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 after, 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 between, between, between. Alright, so these are the list of 2-letter words, 3-letter words, and 4-letter words you're likely going to see in our today's comprehension. So let's read it together. I have 2-letter words: is, to, of, in, it, or. Again, is, to, of, in, it, or. Now to the 3-letter words we have: D, Y, on, and, him, top, for, has, use, how. Again, D, Y, on, and, him, top, for, has, use, how. Now to 4-letter words we have: know, plan, into, tool, that, term, most, list, made, help, want, cost, good, that, give, mean, firm. Again, know, plan, into, tool, that, term or term, most, list, made, help, want, cost, good, debt, give, mean, firm. Now, as usual, we're done with phrase 1. Okay, now let's see phrase 2. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so this is the total comprehension we are able to put up with our words. So let's read together. The topic is why the study of economics is important. Why the study of economics is important. 1. It helps individuals in objective, critical, and rational thinking. It helps individuals in objective, critical, and rational thinking. Number 2, it helps individuals make rational choices in using their scarce resources. It helps
individuals make rational choices in using their scarce resources. Number 3, it helps individuals understand national economic issues. It helps individuals understand national economic issues. Number 4, it helps the government manage its resources in terms of income and expenditure. It helps the government manage its resources in terms of income and expenditure. It helps firms to know how to manage their resources and their production plans. It helps firms to know how to manage their resources and their production plans. Number 6, it guides the government in formulating development plans. It guides the government in formulating development plans. Number 7, it enables individual understand international issues. It enables individual understand international issues. Number 8, the study of economics is a requirement for further studies or entry into other professions. The study of economics is a requirement for further studies or entry into other professions. Number 9, it enables mankind to build theories and tools for economic analysis. It enables mankind to build theories and tools for economic analysis. Now we have economic concepts. Economic concepts. 1. Want. Want refers to the insatiable desire of a person to own and consume goods and services that give him or her satisfaction. Scarcity. Scarcity means that while human wants are unlimited, the resources to satisfy them are limited in supply. Scarcity means that while human wants are unlimited, the resources to satisfy them are limited in supply. Scale of preference. scale of preference refers to a list of wants arranged in order of importance, with the most important want coming first on top of the list. Scarcity. Scarcity means that while human wants are unlimited, the resources to satisfy them are limited in supply. Scarcity means that while human wants are unlimited, the resources to satisfy them are limited in supply.
Alright, so we're going to be drawing a curtain for today's video right here, and I hope you got something out of today's video. See you tomorrow, and don't forget, we are still on our 31 days journey. Today is the 4th day of our 31 days journey. I don't think you want to miss any of the days. Don't forget to stay safe. Bye for now.